This robotic animal and man can even take your life. They get mixed together. So let's see which one is more dangerous. First of all, if monk and cow are mixed together, they will look like this. Next is bear and soldier. If they get mixed together, they look like this. Next, robot and robotic lion. They look like this after getting mixed. Next, devil woman and wolf. They look like this after getting mixed. And the last one is the most dangerous. So before knowing whom do you love the most among your mom and dad, tell in the comment. And those who love both equally will like this video and subscribe to the channel. Yes, don't forget to send a red heart for your mom and dad in the comment. So the last and the most dangerous is domestic man and robotic even if they get mixed together. They look like most dangerous.